Hey YouTube, this is The Green Prepper, and today shit has really hit the fan for us as a family, and we are going to be seeing if we can live off of our stockpiles for a little while because I just lost my job. So those are never fun days, but like you know, we do a couple other things on the side. We do stockpile sales, we do various other things, so we're going to see how we can best make that happen and best make our lives as smooth as possible, while we are weathering the rough times. And we will learn, we will adapt, and we will use what we have, to be able to take care of our family. But definitely we all have small SHTF situations in our life. And you just have to be able to learn and adapt and to be able to take what comes as it may so that you have the ability to live, survive, and to thrive. So we're going to be making some videos coming up soon, and so if you like, drop some comments in the box below of what you would like to see. But either on this channel or our main channel, The Green Cabbie, we are going to be doing how to make homemade body wash, how to make homemade soap. We're also going to be doing homemade laundry detergent, as well as a bunch of different, cheap prepping recipes, as well as, various other skills and things like that. So if there's anything you want to see, drop it in the comments below. Let us know. And, I'm going to have a little bit more time on my hands, and hopefully we can make ends meet, make things work. We do prepare so that we'll be ready when the time comes. So we're going to use what we have. And, if you have any suggestions, any tips or tricks, please let us know, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.